Hey everyone, we are going to create for this week's STEM project a water wheel, which was invented in India. So this is a sign for India. For this project, we will need 2 plates, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5, but I think 4 will be fine, but let's be safe. We have 5 cups, and then a stapler, or if you don't have a stapler, tape. And then, let's take this one here, a stick. So let's get started. So we are going to take first the plate and the cup. And again, if you don't have a stapler, you can use a tape, but I will use a stapler because it's faster. And friends, we should ask help from parents with this because we are using a stapler and we want to be really careful. So we're gonna staple the cup and the plate together, so it's kind of laying. So it's kind of laying on it. So we can put it a little bit in an angle so it looks up. And now we're gonna push down. And now it's on here. Ta-da! So that's our first one. So now we're just gonna do it all around here, but make sure that the openings are all on the same side. So it's gonna be, the opening is gonna go this way, like this. All right, let's continue. People long time ago were creating a water wheel because there are times in India when they have a lot of rainfall. It's called monsoon. And they wanted to save all that water, all that rainwater. So they were like, how can we get all this water really quick and use it for our fields and to water our crops? And they were creating and inventing a water wheel by using buckets and wood. And then cows would pull or move the water wheel to keep it spinning. So now I finished stapling the cups on the plate. Like I said, 4 works. You might be able to squeeze a 5th one in, but I feel 4 should be fine. Then you're gonna take a second plate, and then you're gonna also staple it together. It might work with 1, but then it becomes kind of like not really sturdy. So I would recommend using both plates. So you're putting them together, taking the stapler or the tape again, and then you staple it together. And now you do it with all 4 cups. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So yeah, I think that was a really smart idea because sometimes we want to make our life a little bit easier, and instead of taking just like 1 bucket and taking all the water out and then walk over there, they just invented this wheel, which isn't real, like really big, and then they were able to get the water really fast onto their field. Now for this one, we have to ask mom and dad for some help because we are going to poke it through the plate, and we don't want to hurt ourselves. So let's ask for help. And then we're going to also poke it through the second plate. Oops. All right. And now we have our water wheel. So let's go to the sink and see how it works and if it works. All right, I'm here at the sink. I'm going to turn my water on, and I'm going to hold it. Oh. And then, so you can see it, I'm gonna put the first cup under the water. Do you see that? It's turning! Isn't it awesome? And it's just moving and moving and moving. Oh, that's so much fun. It works! Alright, have fun doing the STEM project.